Alright, hello friends, we're back and I got a 2004 Hyundai Elantra right here, and as you can see, one light is out and the other light is on. So this definitely, I got to replace a headlight on this. So I'm going to show you, it can be a pretty easy task. Just pop the hood. Right. Now to take that bulb out right here, you're going to take a number 10 on your wrench. Just take these two nuts out. The top. I'm gonna put them over there. Put them in a good spot so you don't lose them. Cry. Okay. And there's one more. If you could come towards me, that I don't have because I've done this before and I don't have that bolt anymore. But if you see where my finger's pointed at, you're going to take that one out as well. Because that, as you can see, yeah. So you'll have 3 bolts right there. We're gonna release, there's a cable that's right there where my finger's at. So I'm gonna pinch it and then I'm gonna pull it towards me and I'm pinching it and then just wiggling it up and down. There you go. Release that. And then there's another one, but there we go. See, yours, if you've never done that before, you're gonna kind of jostle it a little bit until that comes right out. Okay, and then I got one more, if you can see here, that I'm gonna undo. So that's for my blinker. Okay, there's my light bulb. And there's the bulb that I need to replace. Okay, I have this wire thing right here. Okay. And that has to be undone. And you have to remember how the wire goes back inside here. And so I'm just wiggling mine out. You're going to want to release this bolt right here, where my forefinger on left hand is, so that you can release this wire out of here. Mine's just loose. There you go. See that? Let's put it behind a flat surface, maybe help. Yeah. If you can see in the center of that coil, there is a break. And that's why this light's not burning. So pop that out, just pull it apart. There we go. And then I'll put that aside. And then I got a new one over here. Take whatever brand you want. This is the one I got. It's the Silver Star Ultra H7. This is what fits for this vehicle. Another one if you guys want to check this out, it's also broken. It's a different one. If you can see, that coil is just straight burnt out, and there's the top part of the coil is burnt done. Okay. But on my new one, check out my new one. The coil is all the way through. Let's put it against the black surface. See that coil? You see it all the way through. There's no missing connections. Okay, and then just go ahead and patch that right in there. And if you can see, the light has a little bevel, nipple, whatever you want to call it. It's right there at the top. That is going to align with this right here inside the unit. So just shove that in. There we go. Put it down in there. All right. Now, with that down in place, I'm going to hold that with my thumb. Left hand's coming over here. This is the more tricky part, because you got to get this in here. Okay, so how this little spring, wire, whatever you want to call it, works is it needs to go, this piece that I'm holding in my fingers needs to go underneath that part right there. And this piece on the left will hold down that side, and this piece, this other side, will hold down that side. So write it down if you want to remember the arrangement, but I try to give you a real good visual here to what mine looks like when it's complete. And you can always look at the other bulb for reference. So I've got that down. Try to get my hands out of the way. Get that camera. Yeah, whatever way is the best for you to see. Okay, now my thumb, I'd get these wires out of the way so you could see it happen. Oh, see, I don't want to do that. Try it again. This shows you some of the difficulty entailed here. Try that once more. Put Bottom of this wire's got to be right there. And then hold that down. There it is. Okay. Okay. Now watch it. Watch for that one. I'll hold that with my... I don't think I made this look super easy, but mine's straight up broken. If you can't tell by now, probably need a whole new bulb, man, but we did it. So let's put it all back together. Okay. Hopefully yours looks better than mine. And in putting it in, don't forget to reattach your wires right here. You can see that one right there. Now look, that's what I like to see. All right, got confirmation. And my blinker reattached. And pop this bad boy back in place. Get your tins back in. 1, 2. That. Now you got your lights on.